Hello viewers! In today's tutorial, we'll be focusing on how to import Excel data into Power BI. First, navigate to the top ribbon and click on Get Data. You'll notice Power BI allows connections to a wide array of data sources, such as Excel workbooks, SQL Server, CSV or text files, web pages, and many others. Our focus today will be on connecting an Excel file. To do this, select that Excel workbook option. Then, choose an Excel file from your local storage. In the Navigator window, select the spreadsheet you want to use from your Excel file. On the right side of the Navigator, a preview of your data will be displayed. Here, you have the option to transform data, which would open the Power Query editor. However, for this tutorial, we'll proceed by simply clicking Load to import our dataset directly. Please be patient as it might take a moment. We have successfully imported the dataset. Once imported, the spreadsheet from the Excel file will appear as a table in Power BI. In the Data pane, you'll find the imported table and all its columns, which we refer to as fields. You can also explore the entire dataset in the table view. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive into the Power Query tool, exploring basic data cleaning and transformation techniques. If you've learned something new from this video and looking for tutorials similar to this, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching.